Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here cyclohexane is there. You have tetrabutyl and 2 bromine. One bromine is syn to butyl, another bromine is trans to butyl. You are reacting with potassium iodide and acetone. You have to find the final product. Here the immediate question comes, which one is stable, which one come axial, which one come equatorial. First you draw the cyclohexane form into chair form because which is the most stable structure. So you write each one and check the reaction condition. It is the elimination reaction. For the elimination you need bromine to be in the axial position. Bromine is a good leaving group, always try to leave, but should be in trans position for the perfect E2 elimination. So elimination require anti-periplanar. 2 bromine should be in 180 position. So bromine goes axial, butyl goes equatorial. Normally the confusion comes which one axial, which one equatorial, because bromine and butyl are bulky. Here bromine go axial. Then the elimination occur. The steric assistance helps the leaving a bromine group. So finally you have the alkene there. Here the concept you have learned here is bulky groups always go equatorial position and elimination require anti-periplanar position. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.